Today we're going to be looking at tracking costs inside of Equipment 360 and what your shop or fleet manager can do with the information once they have it. With Equipment 360, all costs are tracked against a work order that is then tied to either a shop, a job, or the piece of equipment. On the work order screen, your shop or fleet manager can view the estimated cost versus the actual cost of performing the work once it's completed. Equipment 360 remembers your maintenance history and averages the cost of your labor, parts, or other charges to give you an estimated total for that type of work for that specific piece of equipment going forward. The work code is a customizable list with as many or as few choices as you would like. Now, within your work code, you have an item code. Your item code works as a subcategory for tracking costs, and again, you can include as many or as few items as you would like, giving you the ability to track costs at a high or granular level. A lot of our customers tell us that the shop is viewed as a black hole or a cost center, meaning they know how much they spend in total, but they don't know the real itemized breakdown. Equipment 360 gives you the ability to easily and accurately track your costs down to the penny. With this information, you can also view previous and predicted maintenance against your depreciation line, equipment utilization and cost to date of specific pieces of equipment or your entire fleet, as well as generate customized reports. With Equipment 360, your shop or fleet manager is empowered to track costs, establish budgets, forecast expenses, and have those tough conversations at the end of the quarter when it comes time to buy, sell, or replace equipment.